Hey guys, and welcome to Petrol and welcome to the Geneva International Motor Show 2018. I am here on the Koenigsegg stand because I had a very special invite this morning. Would you like to come and have a good look around this Koenigsegg? We'll allow you to sit in it. You can do whatever you like and film in it. So obviously I had to say yes. It's very rare access to get on the stand and get to sit in a car like this. So let's take a really good look around this. Very, very cool.
That is a thing of great beauty.
This isn't bad. Literally just arrived at the show and I get invited onto the Koenigsegg stand to see this very, very special CCX. I've never sat in a Koenigsegg before. It's quite a thing getting in it and looking elegant, but this is a very, very special car. It's one of the early ones, and it's inside here. This cabin is just so focused around me. It's quite a snug fit, but I can now see where this magic of Koenigsegg comes from. You have this amazing kind of view, and it feels like a race car. Really special. So this car has some pretty special things about it. It's got one of the best, according to Christian von Koenigsegg, one of the best sounding Koenigsegg they've ever made. And they're not actually sure exactly why this particular car sounds so good. Sadly, we can't start it up today, but very cool. Huge thanks to the guys here for letting me actually sit in the car, because as you can probably see from there, you're not actually normally meant to be able to get access to these. So let's get out of the car and have a quick look around the outside, and I'm going to try and do this and stay cool, which is highly unlikely. So imagine, you know, you were arriving outside the casino in Monaco in your Koenigsegg. It was reasonably graceful. Come round the back and have a look. Now, what I love about these cars is, and again, it's one of the earlier cars, so it's still quite raw, and just the suspension units, the inboard dampers, the threatening, menacing engine in the back. Such an amazing looking car, this. So if this is my first car of Geneva, then it's going to be a good time. Let's have a look around this side too. Again, these scissor doors are just so beautiful. Look at that action there. And I know if you're familiar with Koenigsegg, you've seen those before, I just think they are the best opening doors of any car, pretty much.
I just love the dashboard on this car. That center console with a kind of... it's just, there's nothing else like it. The gear lever on this car is super cool as well. Manual box. How cool is that? And check out the headliner. Just a stunning place in here. Beautiful seats. Very special car.
Liking the Koenigsegg stand here at Geneva very much, because they actually have Regera beer. So here I am with some Koenigsegg beer, a stunning Koenigsegg behind me, and it's not even lunchtime yet. Yeah, let's take a look round some of the other stunning cars on this stand, shall we?
While we have such privileged access to the Koenigsegg stand, it would be rude of me not to show you a couple of the other stunning cars on the stand. This is just a work of art, this Regera. Absolutely beautiful. Carbon fibre detailing everywhere. These wheels are something else to behold. Full carbon fibre construction on the wheels. Just beautiful detailing. And just wait for the car to spin round and look at the back, and we just see the most outrageous whale tail on the back. Look at that wing and diffuser. Absolutely stunning thing. That's got to be a contender for Rear of the Year, surely.
So that's that, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the first of these G-Vlogs. Very special car, amazing access. Huge thank you to the guys here on the Koenigsegg stand. But anyway, if you've enjoyed that video, please give me a thumbs up. Comments below are always welcome. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to Petrol for plenty more content to come. Keep tuning in for the G-Vlog series, and I'll see you on the next film, guys. You take care. Drive safe.